Alright, we're gonna give her our final try. Everything's good to go. Let's hurry up and get in here. Let's see if we can start her up. You can see this is falling apart as far as $1,500. Alright. Oh my god. She starts! Told you guys. Alright, so this is Project Hoopty. This is the cheapest Hummer in the country. I got it for $1,500. It's got some issues. You're gonna see right here, specifically in the paint. There was decals I had to remove. Left the car quite dusty. Haven't really had time to upload because I'm in school. But I mean, these are just particles from the decal I removed. Let's see if I can push that. Yeah, you're gonna see it comes right off. I'm actually gonna start it. Let's see if we can get her started. Rims are kind of messed up. They got the gold glaze to them, but overall she runs. And let me put this stuff down. We're gonna try to jump her with this right here. This is Viking. I'm not actually sponsored by Viking, but we're gonna use it. Let's see if we can get in here and turn her on. I think video. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, but let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna first pop the hood open. Alright, so it makes a clicking noise. That makes me think it's already open. Yep, I'm an idiot. Alright, well, there's another thing that's wrong with it. It's got this metal thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that. It's got the chrome. I don't know if Hoovies has the chrome or not. I didn't really look, but let's just pop these open. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay. Oh, I can. Look at that. Alright, here's the battery. She's pretty dead, but let's go ahead and move that out the way. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect these clippers. Alright. This is all kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'm doing it for you guys. Enough of you requested this video, so sorry if there's going to be a train noise here in a second. Let's go ahead and plug that in. Let's readjust everything. Alright. It's on. Let's press the engine start button. Let's see if I can get in here quick enough. Look at that. We don't have anything. Alright, let's give her the beans. Uh-oh. That didn't work. Oh man, the key's stuck. Okay. I'm gonna retry it. Let's see what happened. Alright, well it's still green. Let's turn her off. Let's restart it. Press the engine button. You have to. There we go. Well, this is stressful. Alright, key's stuck in here. What I'm guessing is I have to go outside and readjust everything. See, this is the stuff I go through just to show YouTube what I have. Alright. There we go. I'm hearing some noises. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm thinking this might be really corroded. And that's what's keeping it from actually doing its job. There we go. Alright, that noise sounds good. That sounds like this bad boy's about to start. Oh, we have some lights. I can hear the fan on. Okay. As Uvi says, let's give her the beans. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, we gave her the beans and it didn't work. Alright, well, I'm gonna go outside and retry it. Alright, we lost the blue bar. I don't know if you guys can tell. Alright, the noise is I can't hear the noise anymore, so I'm really not sure what's going on. Okay. I mean, this should do it. Okay, we have beeping. We have a battery symbol over there. The chairs move. Let's see. Oh, it wants to turn so bad. No. Okay. Oh my goodness. You guys are gonna hate me. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time. Let's go ahead and turn her on. The engine start button. We're gonna get as much connection here as possible. Let's take a quick look at the engine bay while we can. It's kind of dusty. Might need to be a little cleaned, but you know, $1,500, can't really beat it. All right. Okay. Let's give her the beans. Oh snap! The whole battery unit fell. Let's take a look. Do we have any check engine lights? All right, so I have the airbag light on, but that's it. I mean, it only has 157,000 miles. Everything in the interior is fine, you know, no big deal. I got a bunch of stuff in here I've been working on. Removing all the decals, that's what took so long to post the video. Had to use a heat gun. Got the mats in here. Just like Hoovies though, it did have a ton of rain in it earlier. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to use a vacuum. So I did buy this from a fitness facility. So it comes with its fitness equipment. So I haven't removed this. Got my gloves. All kinds of detailing crap I haven't even used yet. I plan on scrubbing the rims because they look like garbage. It's got this little, I don't even know what this is. I think it's a navigation system, but I mean, who even uses those? It's got its four-wheel drive. I think I do actually have a four-wheel drive issue because I can't get it to go into any other button. So if you guys know, let me know. Alright, let's see what else we got. So I did mention the water kept getting in this car. So I'm going to show you guys my trick to keeping the water out. Well, hopefully it works. Put trash bags up here and I tape them. You know, it's not as perfect as Hoovies, but it's definitely the cheapest in the country. Here's all that dust from removing the decals, some more of it. I plan on doing a lot to this thing in the next 2 months. You know, if this becomes a legit channel, you guys can all follow. But so I'm actually going to use this moment to shamelessly promote myself. I actually also have a BMW Z4. Also happens to be the cheapest in the country. I bought it for $1,400 from Indiana. And well, it's got some issues. Somebody in my neighborhood actually stabbed my tires, so I had to throw in this random M rim. I don't know if you guys know what it is, but if you know, please send me the link so I can buy 3 more. The rims it came with are pretty ugly. I don't really know what to do with these, but you know, they are what they are. And yeah, let's go in and check her out. I actually restored the headlights, but as you can see, the bumper's got some major damage to it. Figured I'd get it painted. Oh, they don't look so restored anymore. They look dirty because I live next to a freaking train. Alright, let's go ahead and just turn her on. And then I can show you guys everything that's wrong with my BMW Z4. Uh-oh. I grabbed the wrong key. It's the right key. Wait a minute. Steering wheel stuck. Okay, actually, let's see if I can. No, I'm not going to be able to do this. Alright. There we go. I had to do the old turn and twist. Alright, so this one actually has a lot more problems than the Hummer actually has as far as lights. So I have a brake light. I'm sure it's just a brake sensor. I have my service engine light. I don't know what that one is in the right hand corner. And then I have the mileage on this car. So it only has 70,000 miles. You know, so $1,400, 70,000 miles. Amazing deal, as far as I think. I think it's an amazing deal. I don't know about you guys, but it comes with its own quirks. Specifically, the previous owner installed an aftermarket radio. And I think this is actually a massive upgrade, so I'm not mad about this. However, he also changed the shift knob. So he installed a 6-speed shift knob in a 2.5 Z4. I think you guys know the problem. It's only a 5-speed. I thought I got the 6-speed or something rare. I'm an idiot. So when you go into 5th, great, it works. But when you go into 6th, you're actually going into 4th. So imagine doing that on the highway your first time driving. It's kind of a nightmare. The top actually does work. I'm not going to put it down though, just for convenience sake. And then let's get out. I'm actually going to show you guys something I had installed in this. So I got a custom exhaust. I forget who it's made by, but this thing's loud. The rear end's pretty nice. It was actually pretty smashed up before I even bought it. I knew it was smashed, so I immediately had one sourced and painted, ready to go. I just slapped it right on. So this is my Z video. More on it later. If you guys show interest, comment below, like the video. You already know what to do.